Hey, what's up?
Yo, what is that, man?
Oh, it's my investment plan.
You okay, man?
Yeah, sure.
What the? And welcome back to the Mundane Investors, first episode of our new series called Investing Terminology.
So today we'll be talking about ticker symbols. What the heck are they?
Now imagine you're in an e-commerce site and you're looking for something to buy. Someplace like Lazada or Shopee.
Shopee? Sa Shopee.
Now the process is really similar when buying stocks in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Only instead of searching for the product with a search bar, you input not the name of the company, but the ticker symbol. So what are ticker symbols? Ticker symbols are usually 1 to 5 characters that act as a shortcut for a company name.
The whole point of ticker symbols is that you don't have to search the whole name of the company.
So ticker symbols were named after the ticker tape that were used in the New York Stock Exchange trading floors. And these ticker tapes were used to record every single transaction that happened on those floors. And these ticker tapes made what sound? You're right, ticks.
So another property about the ticker symbol is that it's unique. So you won't see two companies selling with the same ticker symbol.
So ticker symbols are also a way to differentiate two companies that may have the same name. So just recently, Zoom stock prices skyrocketed due to COVID. Good news for investors, right? Well, there are actually two Zoom companies. Zoom Video Communications, the online video conferencing platform we've all been using, and Zoom Technologies, a random Chinese cybersecurity company. Zoom Technologies went up by 1800%, while the real Zoom only went up by 30%.
People were buying into the wrong Zoom company.
Mas magiging
In fact, it was so bad that the SEC had to stop investors from investing into Zoom Technologies.
So yeah, that sucks for investors who wanted to invest in Zoom video conferencing platform.
This is basically a real-life example of why investors like you, need to make sure that you're investing in the right company by checking their ticker symbols. Otherwise, you might end up investing in this instead of this.
Okay, Andy, but what about the numbers and the arrows beside ticker symbols? What are they?
Those numbers reflect the changes in the prices of given stocks in real time.
So these are commonly found in stock exchange buildings or websites.
Now, the formatting for these numbers are not that consistent, but generally, the largest number is how much the current price is for a share of that stock. The smaller number is how much the price of that stock has changed. And the percentage is the percentage that the price has increased or dropped. Now, you can normally tell if it's going up or down by the color of these numbers. Green means up, red means down.
So for example, if the price of BUTTZ was 10 pesos on day 1 and you see this, on day 2, the big number says 11 pesos. BUTTZ is now worth 11 pesos per share.
So the smaller number should now say 1 peso because, well, it increased by 1 from 10 pesos and is now worth 11.
But what is the percentage increase? If you get the 1 peso increase and divide it by the original value of 10, well, obviously, you get 10% increase.
Now, this is arguably more important because if company costs, let's say, 2,000 pesos per share and it increases by 20 pesos, that's just a 1% increase. That ain't worth sandwiches.
But if a stock selling at 60 pesos per share goes up by 20 pesos, that's a 33% increase.
So that's it for ticker symbols.
If you like our content, hit that subscribe button. It's completely free. And of course, press the bell to get notified for any future videos.
And if you have any questions, feel free to message us on any of our social media platforms.
And remember, guys, you may be a millennial today.
Oh, hey guys.
Oh, hey!
Hey, I love your videos, and I just made my first investment ever.
Oh, cool. Which one?
Oh yeah, it was called Zoom Technologies.
What the?